Ebuka Obi nwaanyị onye bụ Mary nwaanyị onye bụ nwaanyị onye ọcha anyị na-ahịa aka ị na-romance with ibe kwa okwu Chukwu.
Out of negligence, out of carelessness, I lost my daughter, my 3-year-old daughter, in Seraphic Hospital.
Tomorrow is the day. I nwere ọgwụ, I nwere oke ite, bute mmemme dị ọgwụ. Attack na emegu 10 years, 20 years, come. Spend your money no more. Okay. Now you can smile. That time you're crying. Now you can smile. That time you're crying. That was last month. You're crying. Your leg is paining you. Can you walk for now? You know that time she can't walk. Tell her to walk. Let me see. You know that her leg is paining her. She can't walk. Can she stand up and let us see? Okay. You know that time she cannot walk. She can't stand. She's crying. So can she walk? If you don't have very well. Let me see.
Yeah, she can. Yeah, she can walk now.
She can walk now. Tell her to move around. Tell her to move around. I want to see. This is a German woman that was 3 years cancer that doesn't walk, can't walk. All right. Thank you. Tell her to wait for people. Tell her to wait to God. Say, God, thank you for healing me.
Thank you for God.
Okay. It's okay. No problem. Sit down. Thank you. Nke abụrụ nke Ebuka Obi asị onye na-agha ego it's a fake. Ebuka Obi is fake. Do you know how many people that are frustrated? Ndị na-agba fright 1 million, 2 million. See abroad, better nke Ebuka Obi agaghị afịa anya egwu. How are you? Are you not talking about it? Ebuka Obi, if you want to become a man of God, close your church, put on a street. Come on, man of God. I have not done church for 5 years. Only woman I got seen me come offering for 5 years or tithes. Let him come out. Only I got seen you have paid tithes to me.
Out of negligence, out of carelessness, I lost my daughter, my 3-year-old daughter, in Seraphic Hospital. What they told me I should take heart. God knows the best. I've been looking for a way to see Ebuka Obi show receipt here. You will go and do all those things before.
This one now a total 4 reports of Ifenao, Ifeneme, no one.
Even if something happens at Lagos now, they say for Mbaka, they saw a shadow. There is something like a mirror, show you a priest. You know, Akwa Okuko bad running, man order complete. Only that the Lord has told me for now. Because they are goofing. Many of them are goofing. Their attitudes are becoming intolerable in the name of Christianity and evangelism. Because if you are not careful, Psalm 11:3 says, foundation once destroyed, what shall the just man do? The foundation of Christianity is facing a crisis. People are joking with prophecy, doing bet Niger with a prophecy, a whole prophecy. And if you talk, some people who don't know what karma means will begin to harass priests, attack priests from the social media.
This is the end time deception program. Remember, today is 5 days of virgin challenge. I said that Ebuka Obi is no longer a virgin. If he says no, he's a virgin and it's not a girl, he should come and let me give him the water from the ocean. And if he lives 7 days and no.
Ebuka Obi, if you're a virgin, that one million. Ebuka Obi, man, if you're a virgin, that can you me again? If you live after 7 days, you know you're a virgin. Ebuka Obi is an of Satan. My name is Prophet Yahweh Chukwuka, Dibai, the spiritual Warlord. This is water that entered the whole world. I don't watch water, I'm watching the God Almighty. But it's in Ojan heart, only if you came in, come out. Come, let me give you this water again. I'm going to of our faith before me. That I'm envying him. You're not trying to Lagos, I'll get what you. But I'm going to have faith before me. Ebuka Obi, where I go, when I cut on one. Where I go? Where to destroy my ministry? Where I can my page? Starting from now, Ebuka Obi, your ministry, Gabriel. Almost spiritual Warlord.
You know, they will report this program. Please, I want you to share it. This kind of program I do that make them hack my page. Would you program our name that make Ebuka Obi that hack my page because he don't want us to expose him? But the hour has come that the world must know the truth. They say, "He shall know the truth, truth will set you free." If I say Ebuka Obi is Zion of Satan, I'll give you Bible backup. Why Ebuka Obi is Zion of Satan? Liberation 3 verse 9. Go and read it. Read Exodus 20 from 1 to 8. Read it. Read Jeremiah 7 from 16 to 20. Gagwaya. Then read Liberation 17 and 18.
Ebuka Obi, why onye bụ Mary? Why onye bụ nwanyị onye ọcha anyị na-ahịa aka ị na-romance with ibe kwa okwu Chukwu? Ma pịọcha ụlọ azụ.
Asị na arụ gba afọ, ọ bụrụ omenala. How come somebody who is worshiping demon, who is worshiping Omewata, who is worshiping idol will come out and challenge the true prophet? You're using police to intimidate people. You're using talks to intimidate people. You're using hackers and IT boy to intimidate people because your cultic people gave you billions. Ebuka Obi, I want to tell you, this me you know today, we have known it a long time ago. I rejected billion from Occultic kingdom. I have saved a lot of people. There's a girl that died 2020 that I raised back from death, and Queen of Heaven, you call Mary. That is not Mary. The true Mary is a black woman. Okay, the true Mary is called Mariam. The true Jesus Christ is called Yeshua. Why I'm saying all those things, so you will not say I am against Jesus. I am not against Jesus Christ, Yeshua. It's Ebuka Obi that is antichrist. It's Ebuka Obi that is against Jesus, and the Ebuka Obi is against the Most High, Yahweh. Because Jesus said, if you love me, keep my Father commandment. What is the Father commandment? We are going to pray.
When the hammer of Kama will come, you may not even know. Stop insulting priests publicly. If you say you are holy, go there and be holy. Of course, we know you may be deceiving people saying you are holy. But those who know you are not. People should be careful because Kama must hammer.
Ebuka Obi nwe power bịa mpịa jaja.
I'm like Ami now. Ebuka Obi is like police. He make money, he collect money from everywhere. We have money now. Me happy because sometimes I can stay here 3 months, 5 months, but nobody else have seen me. So how can you compare a soldier with a man that always coming out every day, 300 days fasting, collecting offer every day to be the same? That is not a priority. So I don't like somebody say, oh, we saw a lady that went to a Salafi hospital. They asked her to pay for something 1,000. Whether they pay, they ask for another money, they have to throw the woman away. This is the same people who come to camera, they will show you, they are giving you 500,000, they are helping people.
That is the problem. My grand even the Zion at the hospital. I when you may attend, you come on a road and not saying what they want what they want by Johnny Water. I shall go with a hospital that another hospital. I shall go with that now. I have another the other hospital. But the other one, how is going to make it? The one of the other man, all I see the call give me. Zia la zia kanga me kwakara gate ya open ela open every because he never akwala open because open up you man no ga me ko say na we gi no here now how about hospital the doctor my buy reject say oh we go for hanya order we for this one I'm not running down
they go to the hospital the king of his survivor this fine boy with my friend just you understand na Ebuka Salafik hospital with their everything about money. Nah, this pikin now, he don't go. The pikin just dey go. Now let me run enter studio. Those of una wey you just see pastor, you wanna see the evil way they happen from door. I don't even blame the Nigerian citizens or the government. The evil way they happen for that hospital. Not only the church, but government go say police they will give una money. Even Ebuka dey use the boss say nobody go fit do anything. Get money to take. Nah, see what he do. Person wey get belle. Even general hospital, private hospital, they never serve God.
Ebuka Obi, why onye bụ Mary? Why onye bụ nwanyị onye ọcha anyị na-ahịa aka ị na-romance with ibe kwa okwu Chukwu? Ma pịọcha ụlọ azụ. Ebuka Obi nwe power bịa mpịa jaja.
Here wetin the woman use her own man talk about the church. I they lost the pikin. Wetin the church doctors for this Arabic I don't know whether na panabita or na people wey dey do mechanic work na they just wear doctor shirt call they call treat.
Even idol, I got one commandment. You got more kit. After 3 months, who be making a sacrifice. Oh, when you get immature kit on her roll first time, I go 2 million. It does as with the 5 million. I get boom mother. My head by go. Money on the future Anambra stay in future everywhere or therefore before. Oh, when I do the for half higher. I was last person to use Osodobe in a movie, and I was first and the last person. On one of all songs of my movie is called End of Money. This movie was produced in 2004. I spent 20-something million naira in 2004. So I use it to empower our people. So I never need a go to use it to empower our people. Why no build one industry? So say hotel why no use and build one industry in Igbo land? Can no man now road name with in Akwa salary? I can develop. What I do is entertainment. No matter Anambra said I will open studio. No matter Anambra said I will open film studio. Soludo get ready. Ndadi na name on. They watch and phone or coach my temper and you go. Or not like it goes not before. 2017 when I was in Anambra, all my temper can I everywhere. I am one boy in Anambra. Just give those people. I put on women okay. I put the mobile hotel. Ego kit I don't before. On that second now, they must pay because I want this year make sure and destroy it, and they may become okay. But also be one born in Cambodia. The guy I want to go. Oh, married the kit through a jack. Buy all for 300,000. Buy no I go. But all this year, every this year. Make sure I attack demon now, every night on every all my maybe that spirit. I see a grace will be, but also like Akwa Okuko. I want to know anything 7 days in Korea altar. Yeah, I can't do brief. I'm talking altar. But I don't know anything. No anything. I'm not saying the same.
This violence, na violence akusigo. Manoka bido kwa ni sinkepo wako. Last week Prophet David Yahweh Nyelo Ezobi 7 days, and today was 7 days, and Ezobi didn't do anything. According to him, Ezobi sent the lao kawo be boy man awu akose na bini because of hiki kita ode ekuzi this also Ezobi ọ na-akpọ even Ebuka Obi Mathias Wilo, Akwa Okuko, Ofia Fulago, all of them that they should come. Now I got what mad. In fact, they have open challenge, online challenge. Hanoli Nimuna, what mad 5. Each person got a mad 5 via online. You know, now they will now pray for that person or do a brakata bronya hadema. How upon your mad 50? Naike Bulo. Ona Kawana, no Obula Masalma, TV Joshua, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi will fake, Lanka Melonka, Akoko Kali. Get to go what if phone you on a bosom on the comment section.
Oh, Yahweh, all the way. Every my first will be my Wuru, oh, Yahweh. Yeah, with the 7 Basanozia. We are not Nancy Prophet David Yahweh or Karama or Karamos, no, but also Kapasi Boxshop. Children of God, fear no Dibia. Eso be send the lang, but I'm not a road Bini. Come when I just see a Maria Manama or Bini. Aha, so you're too small. Oh, yes, no, weapon. I have all my water back. No, but a prophet or trying weapon at Roman Catholic. Oh, weapon to authority. Mbakuru TV doctor who say, oh, this one, yeah, TV doctor, they will kill you. This one, yes. We fought together spiritual. TV doctor belong to Mary and you're not make way to that. I said it before he died. So don't say I'm making mouth. If it's easy to make mouth, come and make it. Akwa Okuko enter video call. Heal 5 people. Kerafia, Samari, million will Samari, enter video call. Heal 5 people. Prophet David Yahweh will heal 20 or 50. Ezobi heal 5 people. Where them? Shima temple. Abro son say go kill the konomana. One undara duro, one kaifu. Tomorrow is the day. In Warlord, in Warlord, but then maybe the Agwo. Attack and Emegu 10 years, 20 years. Come. Spend your money no more. Ebuka Obi is saying, it's a fake. Ebuka Obi is a fake. Do you know how many people that are frustrated? No, about fight 1 million, 2 million. So abroad, the better Ebuka Obi, I got half an how are you? Are you not talking about it? Ebuka Obi If you want to become a man of God, close your church, put on a street. Come on, a man of God. I have not done church for 5 years. Only when I got seen me come offering for 5 years or tithes. Let him come out. Only when I got seen you have paid tithes to me 5 years. So be Akwa Okuko million willow. One under Nayaro, all I can need in hospital have fellows. Proteins have fellows. You claim to be Dibia, a warrior. Also, be what under Kaiti in the competition in Anambra State. Chukwuka have warrior. Mama Taya say, what are your doctor? How they have wonder do a spiritual attack? Let them come and remove spiritual husband. Let them come and remove spiritual secrets. What are your doctor? How they have woman they the poison? What are doctor? I have chosen this path. Any day our Bible. Any day I will not answer prophets. I will break this altar. This altar will be here till I die. Yes. This house is senior most of churches. Me will okay, 2017 2004. Orugo 10 years, no. Akwa Okuko 10 years na no. I started ministry 1990. Our first foundation in our father's house was a church. Ask question, but going to have nonsense. So don't create problem for yourself because this is what I am born to do. My father is a very strong man. So you are lucky because you have a man that will tell you don't go to idol. First foundation in our father's house was a church. Ask question, but going to have nonsense. So don't create problem for yourself because this is what I am born to do. My father is a very strong man. So you are lucky because you have a man that will tell you don't go to idol. Even idol, I got one commandment. You got more kid. After 3 months, you will be making a sacrifice. Oh, when you get immature kid on her roll the first time, I go 2 million. It does I with 5 million. I get boom, madam. My head by go. Money on every channel number stay everywhere or there before. Oh, and I do there for half. I was last person to use us in a movie. And I was first and the last person. On one of all songs of my movie is called End of Money. This movie was produced in 2004. I spent 20-something million naira in 2004. So I use it to empower our people. So I never need a government to use it to empower our people. Why not build one industry? So say hotel why not use and build one industry in Igbo land? Can no man road name with in Akwa salary? I can anybody develop. What I do is entertainment. No matter Anambra State, I will open studio. No matter Anambra State, I will open film studio. Soludo, get ready. Ndadi na name on. You watch an phone or coach my temper and you go. I know it's like a ghost before. 2017 when I was in Anambra State, all my temper can I everywhere. I am one boy in Anambra. Just give those people. I put on women okay. You go. I put the mobile hotel. Ego kit adrozika before. On us now, they must pay because I want to this year make sure and destroy it, and they may become okay. But also be one born in Cambodia. The guy wants to go. Oh, married the kit through a jag. Buy for 300,000. Buy no Oja to go. But all this year, every this year. Makes I attack demon now, every night on every. All my maybe that spirit. Before maybe that spirit, then I go. Another way, maybe dog. Let me tell you. I will know. I don't hide my own. Never no matter better free. Never no kid and never get better. If you okay, to be a demon, be a go nigga. Share the telecast. Boys will be. I have the 7 today. I know how to create because that's no 7 them, but I go on power. Oh, now to run a dog to Wojo. Carry your Bible. You can a church as Agwo White Mary. Jesus Bonyo, Jesus Bonyo G. Mary Bonyo G. High grow chaperette. Oh, one of them for a gap challenge. Sinna many group chaperette. I have to say about the Bible. Oh, one of them for a gap sign and apostle grow chaperette. I have to say about Yabo. God will say, do not watch idol. You go, Merinka, go, send the sacrament. Go. 2023. If you not get power, close your church. Egwu odegwunu, egwu Jehovah, egwu ajabotu mmụọ, power. Hey!